So in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust distortion correction on SJCAM SJ8 PRO. Distortion correction will sort of eliminate that fisheye effect that you have when recording videos or taking photos. The fisheye effect is mostly visible if you, as you can see right now, this is a distortion. So this is this fisheye effect, and to get rid of it, simply click on the magic wand, then scroll down until you find distortion correction. You can turn it on, and by the way, it doesn't work on 4K 60 or 50 FPS, so it's also worth noting. Now you'll see that the distortion is sort of corrected. It looks a bit different now, so it looks like the image is flat, not with this fisheye effect. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.